And our ride has arrived. Ayan siya. Ay, papunta na tayong airport. Let's go!
Ready for this.
Ay, Julia. We're now here at Puerto Princesa Airport. This is our ride here at Palawan, going to El Nido and Port Borton. For inquiries, you may contact them at their Facebook account. General! Nandito kami sa Vietville, Palawan. Ayan guys, Vietville, authentic Vietnamese cuisine. Let's go! Spacious place. Grilled pork bun man natin guys.
Subway lang yan eh. Subway.
Subway ng Vietnamese.
Kamusta po ang rating nyo? Out of 10?
Ang texture. Kamusta po ang texture niya? 1 to 10. Sa texture muna tayo.
Malutong yung bread.
About yung saltiness niya sa flavor.
Hindi masyado malasa kasi pag Vietnamese eh. Hindi masyado maalat.
About the frozen fries.
Because tasty. How was it? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. What's pork barbecue?
First bite?
Ano masarap ba sir? Ano lang.
Give you my 2 cents. Alam mo yung may ganun, di ba?
ROI?
Approve on the soup. Approve. Ang pangalan nito?
Lumpia roll.
Lumpia roll. Ito ang tawag sa sausawan.
Basahan sauce.
Igo.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam yung... Pero masarap.
Masarap to.
Diba?
Masarap to.
May lamang. And driving time tayo ulit to El Nido. It's a 6-hour drive from Puerto Princesa. Let's go! Guys, tara. Meron ditong madadaan ng masarap na bilihan ng salubong. Yan natin. Let's go.
Gonna get so high in the house of dreams. We own the night. in the dark room where the beats are deep. Dance till dawn, we're gonna get so high. In the house of dreams, we own the night. Feel the bass, let it move your feet. In the dark room where the beats are deep. Dance till dawn, we're gonna get so high. In the house of dreams, we own the night.
From Puerto Princesa to El Nido ay 6 hours driving. Pero hindi mo mararamdaman ang pagod dahil sa ganda ng daan at view sa paligid ng Palawan. Pasok tayo sa loob. Wow! Wow! Ano?
High-tech shoe.
Later.
May free ice cream and kanya. So, 3 to 7 is parang happy hour.
How's the room? Wow!
Wow!
What's our view? At sunset na. Sobrang napagod na kami sa biyahe. It's time to rest and sleep. At bukas ay kami ay papunta sa El Nido Beach. Magbo-boat ride kami. See you sa next vlog. Part 2. Good night.